I got 9 on listening, 8.5 on reading, 7 on both speaking and writing. And overall my band score is 8.
8 in IELTS. Is it really possible? Yes, now it is possible because it is done by our great genius student Sami. Sami, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I'm feeling pretty delightful at the moment. Because I scored such a high band which I never imagined I could achieve. I always thought it would be a 7 or a 7.5 but not an 8. Hello, my name is Khalid Munir Sami, but people know me by as Sami. I am a student currently and I will be going abroad for further studies, and hence I have joined Liakats for IELTS. The main reason I have chosen Liakats is mainly because of the research I have put in on all the coaching centers that teach IELTS in our city. I have chosen this over the other ones is due to the fact that sir is quite renowned, the facilities here are great, and also it's quite affordable considering most of us don't even have a dime to our name. My future plan was to actually go to the States and pursue a degree in engineering. However, due to budget constraints, I have to go to China. I got 9 on listening, 8.5 on reading, 7 on both speaking and writing. And overall my band score is 8.